Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev's bullish stance on crypto. Key points. Crypto as the next financial infrastructure. Tenev calls crypto an infrastructure upgrade to traditional finance, designed to improve areas like lending, trading, settlement, and clearing with greater efficiency. He believes such innovation could solve many lingering legacy issues in the U.S. financial system, tokenization, and on-chain markets. He's most excited about tokenization, where real-world assets, stocks, private equity, even fractional shares, are moved on-chain, unlocking liquidity and retail access. In a Washington Post op-ed, Tenev urged regulators to establish frameworks allowing tokenized securities to trade, leveling the playing field for retail investors. A future of crypto-TradFi convergence. He envisions traditional finance and crypto not as competitors, but as evolving into a merged, interoperable ecosystem, even predicting the rise of regulated crypto banks. He foresees mainstream equities, private companies, and real-world assets migrating onto blockchain rails due to the clear efficiency benefits. Business strategy and Robinhood's edge. Robinhood is aggressively expanding its crypto offerings, adding more tokens, launching wallets, integrating Bitstamp, and has noted a major increase, 700%, in crypto-driven revenue. Tenev emphasizes the platform's crypto cost efficiencies, roughly an order of magnitude less expensive than equivalent TradFi services, making it a core strategic advantage. Bottom line. Tenev isn't just bullish on crypto. He sees it as the fundamental backbone for the next evolution of finance, driven by tokenization, cross-platform interoperability, and retail democratization. His vision involves crypto replacing and enhancing, not just supplementing, existing financial infrastructure, pending regulators provide clear frameworks. At Robinhood, this philosophy translates into real action. Continued rollouts in crypto, wallet functionality, global expansion via Bitstamp, AI integrations, and tokenized asset offerings.